I'm back. Yeah. And what about it? Yeah, she's back. Don't fuck around. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I know I haven't been on YouTube in a minute, but I'm motherfucking back. I'm motivated, and I'm gonna start giving y'all what y'all need, honestly. Make sure you like, you comment, and you must subscribe. What are you waiting for? Press the subscribe button right now. This is my first ever film, recorded, whatever, makeup video. So I need y'all to hold whatever you gotta say. Keep to yourself. Stay tuned to learn how to get this simple makeup look.
I'm going to start with my Helen E Primer to prime my eyelids. This just gives the eyeshadow a little more pigment. For eyeshadows, I'm using my Jaclyn Morphe palette. I went in with the color Jax. I started to pack it on my eyelid, and then I started to blend it in. Now I'm going into the color Soda Pop and just packing that on top of the color Jax just to give it a darker look. And yeah, I'm dancing and listening to music in this tutorial, so don't mind me. I'm going to do the same thing I did to my first eye on this eye, so just watch. Now I'm going in with the blending brush with one of the neutral tan shades inside of the palette. I can't remember which one, so yeah, pick anyone that's close to your skin complexion just to buff out the edges of that eyeshadow so it looks blended. I use the Milk Primer to prime my face. I absolutely love this primer. When I use it on my clients, they say they love the consistency of it as well. So yes, get you this Milk Primer. Category is foundation, and yes, I love my Lancôme Foundations. I use two colors to make my perfect match. I also use this Airbrush spray. I spray it on my brush before I go ahead and blend in my foundations. It just gives me like an airbrush effect, and I love it. I went in with my Tarte Concealer. I don't know the shade right now, but I'll have it below in the description box for you. For the first coat of concealer, I use a concealer that's literally a shade lighter than my skin complexion. Then I blend for my life. Now on top of that first coat of concealer, I add another coat of concealer that is about 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin complexion to give that highlighted effect. That is something I personally love. Not everyone loves that highlighted effect, but yeah, it gives me a little razzle dazzle. This time I used a brush to blend out my concealer. I feel like when I blend out my concealer with a brush, it gives it a fuller coverage and it doesn't take off as much product as a beauty blender. I went into the Anastasia palette to contour my cheeks. I have naturally contoured cheeks, so I just kind of follow those lines on my face. I went in and used a little bit of that cream contour to contour my nose very lightly. I don't know, the nose contour just gives it like a snatched look. This powder right here is really the one. It has no color, so when you put it on, you don't have to worry about having that yellowish cast under your eye. Just remember who told y'all. Y'all heard it here first. Just look how that powder just like melting into my skin, not giving me no cast. Trust me, there's no flashback, none of that. Really get into it. As you can see, I started to film myself. I was into the music. Then I went in with my MAC press powders to just continue to press that powder into my skin to give me that flawless look. I went into my Morphe blush contour and highlight palette to start warming up my cheekbones to give it a little definition. Look at it. Yeah, y'all see. Just get into it. I also applied the color Jax on my lower lash line just to give it a little pop. I am a blush girl, so you might see me using a little bit too much blush. I went into the Morphe palette, so it has contour, highlight, and blush in it. And I just really love this palette, and it's affordable. I picked it up from Ulta. I went into my highlighter from ColourPop x Shayla collab. This collab happened a minute ago, but I still use it till this day. I'm going to spray my face with the Airbrush setting spray first, and then I switch to my Morphe setting spray. Okay, I be ODing sometimes, but I just really want my face to be set. And I want my makeup to last all night. Now I went in with my NARS mascara. This is one of my faves besides the Better Than Sex by Too Faced. Then I applied mascara to my lower lashes. I love how it gives it like a dramatic effect. Live for this look. Now I'm going in with my Morphe brow gel just to set my brows. So I apply my lashes by using a handheld mirror and looking down. I feel like that's the easiest way to apply your lashes. Moving right along, I outlined my lips with a dark brown pencil off camera. So I went ahead and put in my Quickie lipstick by ColourPop x Shayla. I went over it with some pink lip gloss because it just always give a look. Now I'm going to spray my face. This one was the Airbrush setting spray, and then I went into my Morphe setting spray. Clearly, I always spray my face down till it's like drenching wet. I don't know if that's just me, but it sets really good using both of those sprays.
Comment below any looks you would like for me to recreate or any looks you would like to see on me, because I'm about to come through with the creativity. I be a little nervous because eyeshadow is really not my thing. I'm really into eyebrows and lashes and like the skin. So yeah, I'm working towards some creative eyeshadow looks. So send me some and I'll recreate them. Thank y'all for watching.